Hi everyone, this is Kim and I am here with a design team project for White Rose Crafts. I have been using the limited edition card kit that was sent to me, which is available in April, but you can pre-order it now. I will leave the link in the description box below, along with all the products that I used. So let's get right to it and I will show you what I created this week. This week I created this beautiful Shabby Chic card. It is an A2 size card, and the paper is from Peon Designs, which comes in the kit. It comes 12 by 12, but can be cut down to 6 by 6 squares. And there was this one sheet that had these beautiful sentiments on it, so I wanted to highlight that on this card this time. And I used the paper on the background, and I used my distress tool to shabby it up. I used a doily that I had in my stash. And then the pink cardstock is also from White Rose Crafts, and it has a really pretty shimmer to it. And I absolutely love this saying, "May your life be like a wildflower growing freely in the beauty and joy of each day." It is really super pretty. And then I used a butterfly punch that's in my stash, and I layered the cardstock and the pattern paper and added a couple little pearls. Really pretty. And then the flowers all came from White Rose. This is actually a Recollections flower, which she does sell. We have a Sweetheart Blossom here, which I think she actually calls a Cherry Blossom. And then I have some really beautiful, not sure what she calls these. I think they might be like little carnations or filler flowers, but they're really pretty. A couple of them came in the kit and a couple I had from a previous package. And then I cut a couple of the other pattern papers and made them into flags. And then just staggered them underneath. I did pop up the sentiment on some foam tape. I had some white leaves that came from my stash. And then I used the Nuvo Drops, which is this in Simply White. Really pretty. And then the inside is blank, but I did use a piece of the scrap just to decorate the bottom of the card. So this is what I've created this week. Please check out the store and the Facebook group and the blog, and I will have the links in the description box below. And please stay tuned. I will have another project coming next week. Have a good day.